So the first step in this problem is to understand what it is exactly that it's asking you to do. So here is your regular brand of yogurt, and it contains 13 grams of fat, and then the low-fat version contains 34.25% less fat. So in other words, they're going to take that 13 grams of fat and they're going to remove or subtract 34.25% of it, because obviously for it to have 34.25% less fat, you've got to subtract it, and that's that less. So how many grams of fat does one serving contain of the fat yogurt? So first of all, we got to figure out what is 34.25% of 13. So how many grams of fat are going to be removed? First step, hopefully you'll remember from the text, is that we have to convert this percent into a decimal. In order to do that, you move the decimal place 2 places to the left. So that's going to be 0.3425. And of course, remove the percent sign. Of is a math code word for multiplication. So we're going to multiply 13. So we're going to multiply 0.3425 times 13. And that will give me 4.4525. So that is the amount of fat we are going to remove from the regular fat ice cream. Now this particular problem didn't tell me exactly how much to round, but normally when it doesn't tell us how much to round, they're wanting us to round it to the nearest tenth. So I'm going to round that 4 up because the number next to it is 5 or larger. So that means we're going to remove approximately, let me change this equal sign to that little squiggly equal to sign because that's what means approximately, 4.5. So we've got our 13 grams. We're going to take away that 4.5. And that means that we'll have 8.5 grams of fat in the low-fat version.